Cisco IP Multi-Platform Firmware MPP phones provide communication over the internet and are designed to work with a third-party PBX or Cisco Solutions WebEx calling and BroadWorks. When issues come up, it's hard to know where you should go for help. The Cisco Technical Assistance Center, TAC, or the call control service provider. In this episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll explain the best places to go for MPP phone support, how to create logs, and how to generate a problem report tool, PRT, file on an MPP phone. Next. Where to go for assistance depends on the situation. If you have any problems with the initial setup of the phone, the hardware like the buttons or speaker, or the firmware on the phone, you should contact Cisco TAC. The link is in the description. If you have questions about settings and features like call transfer, voicemail, hold music, call routing, etc., or if you're having service issues like connectivity or dropped calls, contact the Cisco TAC team or the call controller support team. No matter where you reach out for help, you will probably be asked to submit a PRT file. The PRT gathers and packages useful diagnostic information from your Cisco MPP phone. This information can then be sent to aid in the resolution of the problem. The PRT includes a wide range of data, including configuration information, call histories, logs, and more. It can provide insight into what might be causing the issue with the phone. Since the logs provide information about the phone's operation, you want as many details as possible for the PRT. Navigate to the Voice and then the System tab. Change the debug level to Debug. This will generate highly detailed information. When your problem is resolved, you will want to change that level back to where it was before, as this can consume system resources and slow down the network. If you're using WebEx calling, you can generate a PRT file right in the Control Hub UI. See the link in the description for details on that process. If you use a call manager or third-party PBX where that isn't an option, you can generate the PRT in the web UI of the phone. Click the Info and then the Debug Info tab. Select Generate PRT. Change the date and time if needed. Click Submit. Once the PRT file is generated, you can download and share it. To view the logs, you must unzip the file first. There you have it. Now, when you run into MPP phone issues, you know where to go and what to do to get back on track. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.